Maisie, 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 Maisie. Maisie, Maisie Mouse. Maisie, Maisie Mouse.
Good morning, Maisie. Are you the farmer today? Are you going to give the animals their breakfast, Maisie? Oh, what's that? Ah, it's grain. Now, who eats grain? Oh yes, chickens eat grain. Good morning, chickens. It's time for your breakfast. So whose turn is it for breakfast now, Maisie? What's in those buckets? Ah, I know who that's for. It's for the pigs. Good morning, pigs. Time for breakfast. Oh, look, the sheep are already having their breakfast. They're eating grass. Good morning, sheep. And the goats are eating grass too. Good morning, goats. Good morning, cow. Is it milking time? Off you go, Maisie. Look at all that milk. Thank you, cow. See you soon. Now, who drinks milk? Oh, hello, little black cat. Do you want to come and have some milk? Oh, Maisie, what a good idea. You've brought your breakfast too. A bowl of cereal. Some milk for little black cat. And some milk for Maisie too. Bye-bye, little black cat. Bye-bye, Maisie. Enjoy your breakfast.
Maisie, 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 Maisie Mouse. Maisie, 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 Maisie. Maisie, Maisie Mouse. Maisie, Maisie Mouse.
Hello, Maisie. Are those new dungarees? They're very smart. Oh, where've your feet gone? Maybe you'd better turn the legs up so you don't trip over. That's better. Now, what are you going to do today, Maisie? What's that, Maisie? Oh, it's a box. What's in the box, Maisie? Oh, great! It's a jigsaw puzzle. Oh dear, some of the pieces have fallen on the floor. You're going to need all the pieces, Maisie. That's better. Now, what's it going to be, Maisie? Is that a cloud, Maisie? There's a wheel. And two other wheels. What can it be? Oh, who's that? It's Charlie. Hello, Charlie. Do you like Maisie's new dungarees? Maisie's doing a jigsaw puzzle, Charlie. Do you want to help her? Now, which piece goes in next? No, not that one. That's right. Well done, Charlie. That's good. Can you guess what it is yet? Look, it's a train. Hooray! Oh dear, there's a piece missing. Where can it be? Is it still in the box? No. Maybe it fell on the floor. Is it under the table? Oh, Charlie, that's not the missing piece. That's a toy car. Oh dear, where can that piece be? No, it's still not under the table, Maisie. What is it, Charlie? Can you see the missing piece? Oh, There it is. It got caught in your new dungarees, Maisie.
Very good.
Hooray! Well done. It's Zebra in the train. You've finished the puzzle. Goodbye, Charlie. Goodbye, Maisie.
Maisie, 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 Maisie Mouse. Maisie, 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 Maisie. Maisie, Maisie Mouse. Maisie, Maisie Mouse.
Hello, Maisie. Hello, Cyril. Are you having your lunch? Oh, those sandwiches look good. Have you forgotten something, Maisie? Ah, lemonade. Ha-ha! That lemonade is very fizzy. There you go, Cyril. You drank that very quickly, Cyril. Oh, what was that? Ha ha ha! Cyril has got hiccups. Oh dear, how do you get rid of hiccups? You could try putting your hands up over your head, like Maisie. Is that better? Oh dear. You could stick your arms out, Cyril, and close your eyes. Is that better? Oh dear. Ah, I think Maisie has had another idea. A drink of water. That might help your hiccups go away, Cyril. Oh dear. Well, that didn't work either. A roly-poly. Well, that might work. Nope, that didn't work either. Try jumping up and down. Keep going, Cyril. Oh, where's Maisie gone? Is she in the playroom? Is she upstairs? Ooh! Ha ha! There she is! Hooray! Your hiccups have gone! Well done, Maisie. You gave Cyril a fright and scared his hiccups away. Thank you, Maisie. It's time to finish your lunch now. Oh no, Maisie. You haven't got hiccups now, have you? Oh, ha ha. Very funny. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Cyril. Goodbye, hiccups. Oh.
Maisie, 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 Maisie Mouse.